IQ Student Quarter is a vibrant accommodation in Salford, UK. The city is known for its gleaming architecture, diverse culture, and its generous inclusivity towards international students. Here's more on this unique accommodation where you will love to be nested at throughout your stay. Standing proudly on an amazing location, Salford Road, this residence offers fully furnished ensuite rooms with comfy beds, private study space, and abundant storage space. Pristine shower rooms in white will soothe the worked-up mind after a tiring day. A warm kitchen is shared between residents, along with a modern gym. The vibrant lounges and a welcoming open-air courtyard will help you unwind with friends amidst nature. The University of Salford can be reached in 7 minutes by bus, whereas the University of Law is a 16-minute drive away. Take a stroll to the nearby Hub Cafe and Sandwich Bar to sample delicious black puddings as you gorge on burgers with soda. When the Tesco Express supermarket is closed, you'll always have an easy trip for your weekly errands. History, science, and art buffs will love the close proximity to science, Industry Museum, and the exquisite Manchester Art Gallery. Luxury is rolled with ease at the IQ Student Quarter, and we at Amber make sure we give you that carpet to walk on. Connect with us at Amber and reserve your spot.